have been targeted time and again, and this time the Sri Lankan Navy has arrested 56 Indian fishermen in the last 2 days. Lanka's move sparking a massive political furor, with political parties mounting pressure on the government to take a tough stand. The fishermen in Rameshwaram are going on an indefinite strike.
Every time a fisherman in Rameshwaram goes into the sea, making the mistake of moving a little off course, even unknowingly, has proved costly. The most recent instance, the arrest of 56 Indian fishermen by the Lankan Navy in just the last 2 days. And this time, the residents of Rameshwaram say enough is enough.
எங்களுக்கு படங்களை மீட்டு தந்ததோடு எங்களுக்கு திரும்ப மீன் பிடிக்கிறதுக்குண்டான வழிமுறைகளை செய்து கொடுக்கணும். அதுக்காக வேண்டி நாங்கள் படங்களை மீட்டு தர கோரி ஒரு போராட்டம் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கிறோம். 11ஆம் தேதிக்குள்ள எங்களை மீனவர்கள் படங்களும் விடுவிக்கப்படவில்லை என்றால் 12ஆம் தேதி பாமன் பாலத்தை முற்றுகை போராட்டம் நடத்துவது, தமிழகத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அத்தனை மீனவர் சங்கங்களை இணைத்து நடத்துவது என்று தீர்மானிச்சிருக்கோம்.
As the fishermen get set to protest, Sri Lanka's move causing a massive political furore, prompting the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister to write a letter to the Prime Minister demanding that the centre take up the issue with Sri Lanka. Even UPA's former ally, the DMK, taking on the centre for adopting a soft approach. DMK Chief Karunanidhi launching a scathing attack on the centre for its differential attitude. The left too mounting pressure on the government, urging the centre to take strong steps against the recurring incidents.
Government of India has a responsibility to protect Indian fishermen. Government of India not only should condemn what the Sri Lankan naval forces are doing, but Government of India should take up the issue with the Sri Lankan authorities seriously.
Cornered by the opposition, the centre has promised swift action.
So, to resolve the issue, I told the High Commissioner, you'll have to take prompt steps to ensure all our fishermen are restored and brought back as early as possible, so that the people of Tamil Nadu will have a confidence in our government.
24 hours after 26 fishermen from Karaikal were captured by the Sri Lankan Navy, 30 others from Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu have also been arrested by the Sri Lankan Navy. Rameshwaram fishermen have gone on an indefinite strike from Monday. But is the centre listening, and will there be a solution to this perennial problem?
As Sri Lanka continues to arrest Indian fishermen for alleged poaching and crossing the maritime boundary, how long before the Indian government lodges a strong protest with the island nation and puts an end to such incidents once and for all? With Vikram in Chennai, Rahul Dalal, Times Now.